Hello, in this video I will show you how to do a phone setup on OUKITEL WP20. So here on the first page you can select your language and region, and then you have to click start. Now you can connect your phone to mobile network, or you can click skip. Now you can connect your device to Wi-Fi, or you can click setup offline and then click continue. Here you have to set date and time and then click next. Now you have to agree to Google services, so click accept. Now you can set up PIN, or you can click skip and then click skip again. And now your phone is all set up and ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.